Assalamualaikum students. Hope you all are good at home. Today our topic is big and small. Okay, here you can see this picture. There is an elephant and a mouse. Okay, now you can see elephant is bigger than this mouse. So we can say elephant is big and mouse is small. Okay class. Let's see another example. You can see this picture. Here are two lamps. The lamp which is on your left hand side is smaller than the lamp which is on your right hand side. So this is the difference between big and small. Hope you got it. Hey class, this is your assignment. What you have to do at your home, circle the things which are small and color the things which are big in this worksheet. Okay? Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.